Yeah, so thank you very much. Welcome to our lesson 5. In lesson 4, we looked at how we can play the reverse African pattern in key F. We started from here. We played 1, 4, 1, 5, first inversion. 1, 4, 1, 5, second inversion. 1, 4, 1, 5, then F. So I want you to make yourself conversant with that pattern, and you also play in the reverse direction. You start from 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4. So master that pattern and try to repeat it and repeat and repeat until you are able to play it without difficulties. Now in this lesson, I had promised to feature other keys on playing music because we have different keys in music, possible keys that a singer can sing on, and these keys are 12 in number. I just want to quickly go through them, and allow me to start with F because that is the key that we are conversant with from lesson 1. F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F. So, if you are keen, you should have realized that there are 2 keys which have no sharps, that is B and E. I did not mention B sharp anywhere. I did not mention E sharp anywhere. Now when you count all those keys, they are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is from F to E, because if I move from here, the next is F, and I will have repeated this one. So they are 12 in number. So if a singer tells you to play key F, you will come here. If the singer tells you to play key G, still with your fingers in the same formation, first finger on string 2, second finger on string 3, third finger on string 4, and using the first 3 frets. That one is F. You don't change the formation of that chord. Just move the way you are to the next fret, and that becomes F sharp. Move to the next fret, that becomes G. Move to the next fret, that becomes G sharp. Move to the next fret, that becomes A. Move to the next fret, that becomes A sharp. B is the next. C, because there is no B sharp. C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and then F again. So you don't change the way you have placed your fingers on string 1, string 2, 3, and 4 with finger 1, 2, and 3. So that means using the same formation, you can form all the keys. So if you are trying to search for other keys in the guitar, just place the fingers like that. Then when you move to the next fret, that is sharpening. That is for the keys with sharps, except B and E. When you move from B, you go to C, you don't go to B sharp. When you move from E, you go to F, you don't go to F sharp. So how do you play once you get the key? The playing does not change. The African chord pattern remains. For example, we were starting from F and playing 1, 4, 1. That is F. When you go to F sharp, you are in F. F sharp is here. The next fret. F, F sharp. How do you play? The same. 1, 1, 4, 1, 5. 1, 4, 1, 5. First inversion. 1, 4, 1, 5. Second inversion. 1, 4, 1, 5. 1, 4, 1, 5. F sharp. So you have moved from F sharp to F sharp. Let's try G. G is here. Somebody tells you now, can you play this song in G? This is relative to F. This is F, F sharp, that is G. How do you play? The same. First inversion. Second inversion. G. The G repeats itself. So you realize that what you are changing is just the position in the guitar. The chord pattern does not change. When you are in F, you just move a fret higher. That becomes F sharp. When you play, the chord pattern remains. 1 is the root chord, 4, 5. When you go to number 5, you cannot go past that unless you invert the original key. So you play the inversion of your key. First inversion. This one looking like a V. We call it the first inversion. Then you play number 4, 5. When you get to number 5, you get to the second inversion. This is the one I said is borrowed from chord for A for open string, which we normally play like this. But instead of using 3 fingers, because the essence is to cross these strings, you just cross like this. So this African chord is born by A, and it is the second inversion. When you start from G, 4, 5, first inversion. 1, 4, 1, 5. Second inversion. 1, 4, 1, 5. Then that is G. You can play in the reverse direction, just the way I discussed in lesson 4. You can play from here going that way. It is just the same route that you used to play in this direction. You play moving in this direction, and you will come and end up in your original key. So the basic thing that you are supposed to get in this lesson is how do we locate the key. Form this chord and then move with your fingers just the way they are. Try to get to the key you want, like that is D. When you start playing, pattern remains 5. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, visit Chris TM Music on Facebook, Chris TM Music on YouTube, and you are going to type your question there, and I'm going to see it and I'm going to respond. Otherwise, God bless you.